So now we can see that the banner image is blurred out. Probably there's no image or the image is lost. So let's go ahead and find the image. So the best thing is, since we downloaded this template, we can also refer to the template that we uh, downloaded from, and this is the live preview, and there seems to be one image, so let's go ahead and search for that. Mm. Okay, let's go ahead and change this uh, slider. So all you have to do is follow the same method. Since that is a slider, I'm just going to name it as slider 1 colon. So now I'm going to copy this link and make a change to it in our new folder. Okay, so it always follows a path. So this is the old image, it won't work. So I'm going to copy this slider 1, copy. I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to rename this and rename slider 1. So now if that image that you're going to refer it here, this also should be renamed as slider 1. There we have it. But the path is kind of incorrect. Let's check it out. Dot, and it also starts with asset, image, home, and okay, it seems to be correct. It is correct. Okay, we missed a comma there. Okay, so slider 1 is done. So let's go ahead and uh, rename the other sliders as well. So coming back to index.html, we still have to rename this. We renamed this as slider underscore 1, so the same name comes here as well. So coming back here, it's again slider underscore 2 colon. And you can actually copy this. This is a quick way, provided you don't forget to change the names and comma, and copy this also, and let's do this and rename and paste. And again coming back to index.html, copying that flower brackets and pasting it in. Same thing goes for this as well. Slider underscore 3, because it is a third slider. And go ahead and type the same thing. So we have renamed all of the 3 sliders in HTML, the index.html, and in the gulp file everything is correct. And make sure that the tags, that is the title, is exactly the same in index.html or the file that you are editing on. So now I went ahead and ran the file. There we go, we don't have any errors. If there are mild errors, you don't usually get, but you have to check it out if the result is the same or the one which you're looking for. So the usual mistake which I always make is the images initially, if you remember, I saved them in the source file. So all you have to do is copy this, the folder that has all your images, and go back to housing, which again go to dist folder and assets and images, because this is the final folder. So the dist folder also needs to have same amount of photos that you have in the source folder. So after all that is done, it's run on the net, and you can see that the images are changing. Let's give it a few seconds. there we go. From one image to the other, it takes few seconds to load, but it changes um, all the images. It slides from one to another, which is pretty cool. You can follow these steps with the image as well, and make sure to rename the images as well as the path. Make sure the path is correct, and your um, image folder, that is the image folder in the source file, the assets, image, and the one which you created, everything that is right here, make sure that you copy it and paste it in the dist folder, in the assets folder, and again in the image folder. Both the dist folder and the source folder should have the same images, so that it recollects in on the web. So yeah, that's how you do it. So I'm going to go ahead and redo all the images, and we'll see how the end result looks like.